Yeah, I don't know.
Crazy, dude. This area is closed.
I can't see it.
Ridiculous.
We'll probably go. I think we do go under the bridge that they're building.
Really?
Alright, we on it.
See how it's gonna connect?
Yeah.
Isn't that fucked up, man?
It's gonna connect like 2 different ways.
Oh shit, man, they're like hoisting on a giant piece.
I know. It's fucked up.
And
No, I think that's gonna be like the arch and it's gonna go over, right?
Yeah.
But still.
too late.
They got all these crazy power lines and shit.
Haha. Say hello, Jerry.
What's up, man?
Fuck. Yo, man. Look back here, man.